Hello students, we have seen when the auxiliary equation has non-repeated roots, how we find its general solution. Today we see if auxiliary equation has repeated roots, then we see some examples. We have seen theoretical how you find its general solution if roots are repeated. So solve some examples. So we solve four examples here. So first is r minus 4s plus 4t is equal to 0. Second is 25r minus 40s plus 60t is equal to 0. Third and fourth. So first, solution of first. So the given equation is r minus 4s plus 4t is equal to 0. Number 1. You know what is R, what is S and what is T. R means P means dou Z by dou X, Q means dou Z by dou Y, R means dou 2 Z by dou X square, and S means dou 2 Z by dou X dou Y, and T means dou 2 Z by dou Y square. So this equation can be written as dou 2 Z by dou X square minus 4 into dou 2 Z by dou X dou Y plus 4 into dou 2 Z by dou Y square is equal to 0. Now you know working rule how to find. First you write the equation in symbolic form, then find auxiliary equation, then find the roots of auxiliary equation, and you see roots are repeated or non-repeated. If the roots are non-repeated, how you write the solution? If roots are repeated, then how you write the solution? You know all things. Therefore, symbolic form of this equation is d square minus 4 here dou 2 Z by dou X dou Y 4d dash, then plus 4d dash square operated on Z is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is you put d is equal to f and d dash is equal to 1. Therefore, m square minus 4m into 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this can be written as m minus 2 square is equal to 0. That is m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. Means m is equal to, this implies m is equal to 2 times. Therefore root 2 occurs 2 times. Therefore here you have the repeated roots. Therefore general solution of given equation is, therefore general solution of 1 is Z is equal to, that is phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx. So is equal to z is equal to phi 1 of y, m is 2, y plus 2x plus x into phi 2 of y plus 2x. So this is the general solution of given partial differential equation r minus 4s plus 4t is equal to 0, which is of the form f of d dash operator on z is equal to 0. Now second, what is second? The given partial differential equation is that is 25r minus 40s plus 16t is equal to 0. So again this equation can be written as 25 r means dou 2z by dou x square minus 40 s means dou 2z by dou x dou y plus 16t, t means dou 2z by dou y square is equal to 0. And symbolic form of this equation is 25d square minus 14d into d dash plus 16 into d dash square into z is equal to 0. Therefore, auxiliary equation is that is 25m square minus 14m plus 16 is equal to 0. Now you can find its roots, or this is the expansion of 5m minus 4 square is equal to 0. That is 25m square minus 5 into 4 20 into 2 40 and plus 4 square 16. Therefore m is equal to 5m minus 4 is equal to 0, 5m is equal to 4, m is equal to 4 by 5 2 times, m is equal to 4 by 5 2 times. Therefore general solution of one is, therefore general solution of one is z is equal to phi 1 of y plus mx 4 by 5x plus x into phi 2 of y plus 4 by 5x, or this can be written as z is equal to here 5y plus 4x upon 5. So 1 upon 5 constant, or it is, phi 1 is arbitrary. So it can be written as phi 1 of 5y plus 4x plus x into phi 2 of 5y plus 4x. So in this way you can find the general solution when roots 4 by 5 repeated. So we have seen second order, now we see third order. So third equation, so what is given? The given partial differential equation is d cube minus 4d square into d dash plus 4d into d dash square plus 4d d dash square into z is equal to 0. The given partial differential equation is already written in symbolic form. Therefore, you can write the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation of one is m cube minus 4m square plus 4m is equal to 0. So you take m common, m into m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0, or m into, so this is the equation expansion of m minus 2 square is equal to 0. Therefore roots are m is equal to 0 means 0 to 2. So root 2 occurs 2 times. Therefore general solution of one is z is equal to phi 1 of y plus mx, or m1 x, m this 0 plus you write directly z is equal to phi 1 of y plus m 1x means 0x plus phi 2 of y plus 2x plus x into phi 3 of y plus 2x. Here root 2 occurs 2 times, therefore x. Therefore phi 1 y plus 0x means only phi of y. So this is the general solution of given partial differential equation. Now lastly we solve fourth example. The given partial differential equation is d cube minus 3d square d dash plus 3d d dash square minus d dash cube operated on z is equal to 0. The given partial differential equation is given in symbolic form. Therefore, auxiliary equation of 1 is, so suppose this is number 1, m cube minus 3m square into 1 plus 3m minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 1 minus 3 or minus 3 minus 3 0, 1 minus 1 0 means m is equal to 1, satisfy this equation. Or m minus 1 you can find another factor by using synthesis method. Or directly this is the expansion of m minus 1 cube. So directly this is the expansion of m minus 1 cube. Now here m is equal to 1, 1, 1 are roots. Means m is equal to 1 occurs 3 times. Therefore general solution of 1 is, general solution of 1 of equation 1 is z is equal to, here m occurs 3 times, therefore phi 1 of y plus mx plus x into phi 2 of y plus mx plus x square into phi 2 of y plus mx. So that is z is equal to phi 1 of y plus x into phi 2 of y plus x square into phi 2 of y plus x. So this is the general and this is the actual here by substituting m is equal to 1. So in this way you can solve the examples where the auxiliary equation has repeated roots 2 times, 3 times, 4 times or 5 times repeated, then you can find its general solution. We stop here. Thank you.